Hello everybody. So let's do exercise number 4D of the chapter factorization. Okay. So here already you have done three exercises. So in the all the three exercises first exercise you have used the formulas, identities, like different identities you have used for the exercise 1, 2 and 3. So the last exercise we have done with the identities a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. Okay, so now the fourth exercise is about the trinomial. Okay, what do you factorization of trinomial? Okay, so what do you mean by trinomial, where you have got three terms? Okay, so this factorization of trinomial ax square plus bx plus c, only like this type only you'll be getting in this exercise 4D. Okay, so how to do this factorization? Here you see ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, so this bx you have to write, b you have to take as px plus qx. Okay, this plus c will be as it is, like just you have to write this bx as px plus qx. Suppose example, if I'm having x square plus 11x plus 30. Okay, so this 11x we should try to write as 11x means it can be 5 plus 6. Okay, so 5x plus 6x. In that way if you do, then it will be very easy for you to factorize. Okay, so now let's see the problems. So here exercise 4D, first problem, x square plus 9x plus 18. Okay, so what is the way of doing these problems? First of all, the first term and the last term. Okay, let us just multiply both. So if you multiply x square into 18, what you will get? 18x square. So now this 18x square, so 18x square you have to write in such a way that see here, first of all this middle term, okay, this is 9x. So 9x you are writing, how can you write for 9x? What can you write? Either sum or difference, anything, like 6x plus 3x. Okay, 6x plus 3x will give you 9. Fine. 8 plus 1 will also give you 9. Like whatever you're having many things that will give you 9. Okay, like two terms, either you're subtracting or you're adding, you'll get 9x in many ways. Okay, but you have to see in such a way that, suppose if I'm taking 9x as 6x plus 3x. Okay, 6x plus 3x will give you 9x. Okay, so now this x square I'll write as it is, x square plus, and this plus 18 also as it is. Okay, so this 9x I have written as 6x plus 3x. Okay, so it is only not the thing that which we have to see. Okay, 9x, 6x plus 3x, but also what you need to see, when you are multiplying this 6x into 3x, you should also get this 18x square. So yes, 6x into 3x, when you multiply 6x and 3x, 6 3s are 18, x into x will be x square. Okay, so in this way you have to take the terms. Okay, now 9x can also be 8x plus x, right? So 8x plus x also give you 9x, but 8x into x will not give you 18x square. Okay, so you have to take the terms in such a way that when you are adding this, you should get this term, and when you are multiplying this, you should get this 18x square also. Fine. So 6x plus 3x you have to take, because 6x into 3x, when you multiply, you will get 18x square. So here you can see, after that, after writing 9x as 6x plus 3x, what you have to do, from this x square plus 6x, from this you can take something common, and from this also you can take something. Okay, now x square plus 6x, here x you can take common. Now after taking x, here x will be remaining, plus after taking x from here, 6 will be remaining. Okay, then plus here 3x plus 18 is there, so 3x plus 18 means 3 you can take common, then x will be inside the bracket, plus 3 into what will be 18, 3 6 are 18. Okay, now x plus 6, x plus 6 common, so that you have to write, and what is remaining, x plus 3. So these are the factors of this x square plus 9x plus 18. This is how you are factorizing this trinomial. Okay, no particular formula is there for solving these problems, but in this way you have to do. First of all, first term with the last term you are multiplying, you're getting one term. Okay, so that term you're just writing here, and this middle term, this second term, you have to write in such a way, either you do plus or minus, but you should get this term, and also when you multiply this you have to get this one. Okay, so this is how you have to do. Now second one is x square minus 5x minus 6. Okay, so x square minus 5x minus 6. So first of all, first term with the last term. All right, so 6x square you will get. Now 6x square you have to write in such a way that here also when you're adding or subtracting you should get minus 5x, and here also. Okay, so minus 5x, how can you write minus 5x? Can you write minus 5x as minus 6x plus 5? Minus 6 plus 1 will give you minus 5, right? And also minus 6 into 1 will give you 6. Okay, when you add or subtract you should get this term, and when you multiply you should get this one. Okay, so x square will be as it is, then minus, in place of 5x I am writing minus 6x plus x. Okay, minus 6x and x, minus 6x plus x will give you minus 5x, then minus 6 as it is, and minus 6x, x will give you 6x square also. 6 1s are 6, x into x will be x square, then minus 6. Okay, here actually x square into minus 6 means minus 6 only you'll get, minus 6x square you'll get. So again you have to take common over here. Here 2 terms, here 2 terms. So x, when you take common, x minus 6, then plus here x minus 6. So can you take anything common? X you can't take, 6 you can't take, because one single term you are having. So let us take one common when nothing is there. So x minus 6. Okay, so here x minus 6, x minus 6 is common, then whatever is remaining you have to write x plus 1. So this is how you have to solve these problems. Now let us go to the next problem. Now the next problem is x square minus 3x minus 54. Okay, so first term with the last term. So here you will get 54x square. Okay, so this 54x square can be written using the two terms in such a way that when you multiply you should get this 54x square, and when you add or subtract you should get this minus 3x also. Okay, so 54 will come in which table, like what you can take, what is possible for you, you have to just think. Okay, so here actually 9 6 will be 54. So if you subtract or add 9 and 6, so that you should get minus 3x, you have to think. Okay, so yes, minus 9 plus 6 will give you minus 3x. Okay, minus 9 plus 6 will give you minus 3. So x square minus 9x plus 6x. Okay, minus 9 plus 3 will be minus 3. Okay, so minus 54. Now also minus 9 and plus 6, 9 6 are 9x 6x, 9 6 are 54, and x into x will be x squared. So you're getting for this also, when you're multiplying you're getting this one, when you're adding or subtracting you're getting this one. Okay, so this is how you have to do. Now this two terms you have to take something common from there. So here x square minus 9x, so obviously x will be common, x will be inside of the brackets, then minus here 9. Okay, already x you have taken outside, then plus here 6 you can take common, then x is remaining, then minus 6 into 9 will be 54. Okay, so this x minus 9 is common, then x plus 6 is remaining. Got it? Now the next problem is 7th one. The question is 6x square plus 11x minus 10. Okay, so here you can see this is just first of all first term with the last term. Okay, 6x square into 10. So 6x square into 10 directly. 6 tens is 60x square. Okay, so 60x square you're getting. Now you have to find two terms in such a way that two terms when you're multiplying you should get 60, and that two terms when you're adding or subtracting you should get 11x plus 11x. Okay, so what is 60? First of all, 6 tensa will be 60. Okay, 6 tensa will be 60 you will get, but here 6 and 10 if you add or if you multiply, will you get this 11x? No, this 11 you will not get. Then what more you can think of? 10 6 are 60, 6 10s are 60 only. Then in which table 60 will go? 15 4s will be 60. Okay, so 15 4s are 60 you will get, and 15 and 4 if you subtract you will also get 11. Okay, so plus 15 minus 4, simple. So 6x square as it is, then plus 15x minus 15 4s, so minus 4x. 15 4s will be 60, and 15 minus 4 will be 11, then minus 10 as it is. Then here two terms, and here two terms we will just take as like this, and we will take common. Okay, now 6x square plus 15x, so what can you take common in 6 and 15? 3 you can take common, and x square in x means x you can take common. Then 3 into what will be 6? 3 2s are, then x already 1 you have taken, one more x is remaining, plus 3 into 5 are 15, this x already you have taken, minus. Now 4 and 10, what can you take common in 4 and 10? You can take 2 common. Okay, so 2, then this 2x, because 2 2s is 4, and x, then minus 2 5s are 10. Okay, so actually when you are writing here, minus sign is there, and inside the bracket when you're writing the brackets, this minus will become plus. Okay, because minus into plus, when you open the bracket you should get minus, no? So for that, when you're writing under brackets, minus into plus you have to write. Okay, then minus into plus will give you minus. Fine. So now 2x plus 5 and 2x plus 5, this is common. Then 3x minus 2 is remaining. Okay. Now let us move to the next problem. So the ninth one, 2x square minus 7x minus 39. Okay, first term with the last term. So 2 into 39, it will be 78 x square. Okay, so 78x square. Now what can you take for 78x square? You have to take two terms in such a way that you should get minus 7x also when you're subtracting or when you're adding. So minus 7x means first of all 78 in which table it will go? You have to look for that. 13 table. Okay, 13 sevens will be 78. So sorry, 13 6s. So here minus 7x means minus 13 plus 6. Okay, minus 13x plus 6x you can take, because 13 and 6, 13x into 6x will give you 13x and 6x. 13 6 are 78, x into x, x square. Okay, so 13x, 6x. So you should get minus over here, minus 7x. So when you will get minus 7x, when you write greater number as minus, okay, then you in the answer you will get minus. If it is plus over here, then you don't need to write this minus, just 13x minus 6x you would have written. Okay, but actually here minus is here, that's why minus you have to put here and plus you have to put here. So 2x square minus 13x plus 6x minus 39. Okay, so now minus 13x plus 6x will give you minus 7x. Now from these two terms you have to take common. So here x you can take common, 2 and 13 is there, you can take nothing. So just x you have to take. Then what is remaining? 2x, then minus this 13 because already x has been taken outside the bracket. Then plus here 6x and here 39. So what can you take common? 3 you can take common, 3 outside of the bracket, then 3 2s is 6 and x as it is. Then minus 3 into what will be 39? 3 13s are. Okay, so now 2x minus 13, 2x minus 13 is common. Then x plus 3. Okay, so the question is 10 plus 3x minus x square. Okay, so the same thing, first and last term you are multiplying. So what difference you can see here? The difference is the constant term is given as first, okay, and this x square is at the last. So there should be no confusion if it is given like this also, nothing to do with that. Okay, 10 into x square will be 10x square only, or else if it is 10 here or x square here, then also 10x square only you will get. Fine. So now 10x square you have to write in such a way that you should get you have to take two terms in such a way that when you're adding or subtracting you should get this 3x, and when you multiply you should get this 10x square. Okay, so what can you take? 5 2s is 10, right? 5 2s is 10, and 5 minus 2 will also give you 3, right? So 5x and 2x, 5 2s are 10, x into x, x square. Okay, then 5x minus 2x will give you plus 3x. Okay, so 10 plus 5x minus 2x minus x square. Okay, so now 10 plus 5x, what can you take common? 5 you can take common here because x you can't take here, x is not there. So 5 2s are 10 plus 5 already taken, 2 plus x you will get, minus here 2x minus x squared. So x you can take common and here you will get 2. Then again you see here we are writing under bracket, so this minus sign will become plus. Okay, now x into x will be x square. So 2x, 2 plus x common, 2 plus x, and then 5 minus x. So this is how you have to do all the problems. Okay, now the next problem is 5 minus 4y minus 12y square. Okay, so the first and the last term. So here 5 into 12. So 5 12s will be 60, and here y square is there. So let us check for 60y square. Okay, so now here you see 4y. You are splitting this term. How you are splitting? When you are splitting the terms, that two terms when you multiply you should get this number. Okay, so 4 you should get. So what can you write? 60 is in which table? 10 6 are 60 you can do. So you have to check whether 10 and 6 if you subtract or if you add, will you get minus 4 or not? So minus 10 plus 6 will give you minus 4, right? So here you can write 5 minus 6, sorry 10 minus 10 you have to write, because you know minus 4, the answer is in minus, so the bigger number you should take minus value. 10 minus 6 you would have done if plus 4 will be there, but here minus 4 is there, so minus 10 plus 6 you have to do, plus 6y, then minus 12y square as it is. Okay, so this 60y square, how you are writing? 10y into 6y. 10 6 is 60, y into y will be y square. Okay, so now here you have to take common. 5 and 10y is there, so let us take 5 common, then 1 minus 5 2s are 10, then y plus here 6y minus 12y squared. So 6 also you can take common as 12 is there, and y also you can take common because both you're having y. Okay, so 6y will be common, then 1 minus here 6 2s are will be 12, and y into y will be y square. So 1 minus 2y, 1 minus 2y common, then 5 plus 6y will be remaining. Okay, so the next problem now is 16th one, that is x square minus 3ax minus 88a square. Okay, so you can see here now 88 and here coefficient is 1, so 88 1s will be 88. Okay, for 88 only you have to check. Now 88, what can you take so that 11 8s will be 88. In 11 table 88 will come, so 11 8s is 88. So 11 and 8 if you subtract, will you get 3? Yes, actually minus 3 you should get. So what you can take again, minus 11 plus 8. Minus 11 plus 8 will give you minus 3, and here 11 8s will be minus 11 plus 8 you have to take. 11 8s are 88, and here minus 3 you will get. So x square minus 11, here ax. What are the variables? You have to write the variables same. Then plus 8 ax minus 88 a square. So here you can take two terms like this, and you can take common. So your x is there, then x is remaining minus 11a. Already this x we have taken, then plus here 8a x and here 88a square. So 8 also you can take common, and a also you can take common. Okay, 8a, then x is remaining minus 8 11 is 88, then a into a will be a square. So x minus 11a, x minus 11a, x minus 11a and x plus 8a. This is how you are doing. Now let's move to the next problem. So here you have 24x cube plus 37x square minus 5x. Okay, so your cube is there, then square, then 1. Okay, so actually how we have solved the problems until now, what was the standard form? X square, x and constant. Here there was no variable. Okay, so the same we can convert here also by taking x common. If you take x common from all, here x square, here x, and here constant you will get, right? So let us take x common. So you will get 24x square plus 37x minus 5, right? So x you can take, you can just keep it as it is, and you can solve this one, 24x square plus 37x minus 5. Okay, now 24 into 5. Let us see 24 into 5. Now what you have to do is the same thing you have to follow here. Okay, now 37 is there in the middle. So what you can do, you have to take two terms in such a way that 37 also should come when you're adding or subtracting. Okay, so 24 into 5. So you will get here 120. Okay, so 120 x square. So that means 120, it will go in which table? Can we write 40 into 3, so that 43s will 120, and 40 and 3 when you're subtracting you will get 37. Okay, so here 40 minus 3x, sorry 3 you can write, 40 minus 3 will give you 37. 40x minus 3x will be 37x. Okay, so x will be as it is, then 24x square plus 37x you are having. Okay, so plus 40x minus 3x minus 5. So now this actually you can see here, if you are taking these two terms, then anyhow you can take x common from there, and for 24 and 40 also 2 common you can take. But what about this 3x and 5? You can't take anything common here. Okay, so actually you can also do in this way. You can write 24 and 3x together. Okay, like 24 and 3 means you can take 3 common from there, and 40 and 5 if you write together you can take 5 common from there. Okay, so let us just write like that. X here 24x square, here minus 3x we will take, and plus 40x, and here minus 5. So now it is easy for you to take common, no? Now x here 24x square. Okay, 24x square means here 3x is there, so x you can take common first of all. X you can take common, sorry, along with x you can take 3 also common. So 3x you can write. 3 into what will be 24? 3 8s are 24. So here x square is there, 1x already taken, 1x will be remaining, minus 3x already taken, so here 1 you will get. Okay, then plus, out of this two terms what can you take common? X is not there, you can't take 40 and 5, so you can take 5 common. 5 into 5 8s are 40x, then minus 5 1s are 5. So here 8x minus 1, 8x minus 1, this x will be as it is, then 8x minus 1, and then 3x plus 5. So this is how you have to do. When what changes you have seen in this problem is just it started from cube, x square and x. Okay, so it is easy for you to take x common. If you take x common, then you will get in this form, then you can further solve it by keeping the x as it is. Okay, now the next problem is x square y square minus 12xy minus 45. Okay, so here first term with the last term you'll get 45x square y square. Okay, so now this 45, how can you write? 15 3s will be 45, right? 15 3s will be 45, and 15 and 3 when you subtract you will get 12 also. Okay, but here minus 12 is there, so let us write minus 15 plus 3. Okay, so here x square y square will be as it is, minus 15xy plus 3xy, then minus 45 as it is. Okay, so here in this two terms 3 and 45 is there, here 15 you can take. Okay, so here xy you can take. Okay, xy you can take common, and then again xy will be remaining, minus 15, then plus here 3 you can take common, xy, then minus 3 into 15 will be 45. So this xy minus 15, xy minus 15, xy minus 15, then xy plus 3. Let's move to the next problem. So here the question is phi of 3a plus b whole square plus 6 of 3a plus b minus 8. Okay, so what can you take common here? What can you see common here? Actually 3a plus b. Okay, so can you write 3a plus b as x? Because you know two terms are given in one expression. Okay, until now how the standard form you have seen, phi x square plus 6x minus 8, something like that. Okay, so here instead of two terms, let us take this 3a plus b as x. See here, let 3a plus b equals to x. Okay, if you are taking this part as x, then what can you write? In place of 3a plus b you can write x square plus here 6, in place of 3a plus b again x, then minus 8 as it is. Okay, so now 5x square plus 6x minus 8. Okay, now you can easily factorize this by just multiplying this last and first term, that is 5x square into 8 it will give you 5 8s are 40x square. Okay, so 40x square means in which table? What can you write? 40 means 10 4s are 40. Okay, so 10 4s are 40, 10x 4x, 10 4s are 40, and 10 minus 4 also you will get 6. Okay, so your 5x square plus how you are splitting this 6x, you are writing 10x minus 4x. 10x minus 4x will give you 6x, then minus 8 as it is. Now from these two terms you have to take common. Now what can you take common? 5x you can take common because 10 is also here, so 5x, then x plus 5 2s are 10, then x already we have taken, then minus 4 you can take common, 4 2s are 8 here, then here x is remaining. Now under the brackets when you're writing, this sign will be changed, plus you have to write, because again if you open the bracket, minus into plus will give you minus. Okay, so just keeping that in mind, you have to do 4 2s are 8. Okay, now x plus 2 will be common, x plus 2 and 5x minus 4. So here until here you have done, but actually what is the value of x? What we have taken in the beginning, 3a plus b equal to x. X we have taken as 3a plus b. So now in place of x you have to substitute that 3a plus b. Alright, so 3a plus b in place of x, then plus 2 will be as it is, then 5 of, just in place of x again 3a plus b, then minus 4 will be as it is. Now this part you can write as it is, 3a plus b plus 2, then here you can multiply 3a plus b into 5. Okay, so 5 3s are 15a here plus 15b here minus 4 as it is. Let's move to the other problem. Now the next problem you have is a plus 4 whole square minus 5ab minus 20b minus 6b square. Okay, so this problem also you can see here, a plus 4 you can take as x like you have done in the earlier problem. Okay, just now which problem you have done, 22nd? No, in that problem you have done, but there a plus 4 whole square, and somewhere here also a plus 4 was there, so you have taken that a plus 4 as x, but over here just one a plus 4 you are having. Okay, now what can you do with this 3 terms? So let us try to make out of this 3 terms something you should get, like here something you can take common, so that a plus 4 once again if you get, then it will be very easy for you to take a plus 4 equals to x. Okay, now you can see here a plus 4 whole square, let us write as it is, then here minus 5ab minus 20b. So out of these 2 terms, b and b you can take common. Other than b you can also take, here 5 and 20 is there, so 5 also you can take common. So take minus as it is, 5b common. If you take 5b common, here a will be remaining, then again in place of minus you have to write plus because you are writing under brackets. Okay, then 5 4s will be 20, then this b already you have written. So did you got this a plus 4? Here a plus 4 whole square, here a plus 4. Now you can further take a plus 4 as x, right? So here minus 6b square, let us keep as it is. Okay, so let a plus 4 equals to x as you have taken in the earlier problem. So a plus 4 equal to x means here x square minus 5b, here a plus 4 means 5bx minus 6b square. Okay, so now 5bx you are having, and x square and 6b square. Okay, first term and last term, 6 b square x square you will get 6b square x square when you multiply this 2. Okay, now 6 means what can you take? 6 will come in 6 1s are 6 only, like 2 3s are 6 if you are taking, then 5 you will not get here, minus 5. Okay, 6 1s are 6 only you have to take, so that minus 5, sorry, yeah, minus 5 and plus 1 you can take. Okay, minus 5 and plus 1 will give you minus 6 and plus 1 will give you minus 5. Okay, so 6 ones are 6 only you have to take. Here bx, here bx, okay, because b square x square you are having. Okay, so now x square minus, here in place of 5bx, what you can take in place of 5bx? You can take minus 6bx and plus bx, that is 1bx. Okay, then minus 6b square will be as it is. Okay, now from these two terms, one thing common from these two terms, something common, like whatever is possible. Now x you can take, x is remaining, minus 6b, this x already taken, then plus b you can take, b and b square is there, b you can take, then x minus here 6 and b. Okay, so here x minus 6b, x minus 6b, x minus 6b, x minus 6b is common, x plus b. So actually what was x, what we have assumed as x there, a plus 4 equal to x we have taken. So that x equals to a plus 4 you have to substitute. Okay, so a plus x is nothing but a plus 4, then minus 6b, then a plus 4 plus b. Now the next problem you have is a square minus 3a into a square minus 3a plus 7 plus 10. So again you can see here clearly a square minus 3a you are having, a square minus 3a you are having. Okay, so let us just take a square minus 3a as x. Let us assume it. Let a square minus 3a, will take it as x. Okay, so here x you will get, then under the brackets again one more x, then plus 7, this plus 7 will be as it is, then that plus 10 will also be as it is. Okay, so now x into x will be x square plus x into 7, 7x plus 10. Now you can factorize this first term with the last term. Here 10x square you got, x square into 10 will be 10x square. Okay, so now what can you write for 10x squared, so that here also you can split up the terms, so that when you multiply here also you should get that 10x square. 7 ones are 7, sorry, 10 means 10 ones are 10 is not possible, 10 and 1 means here 7 you will not get, then 5 2s are 10. Can you write 5 2s are 10, because here 7x is there, 5x plus 2x will give you 7x. Okay, so let us write 5 2s are 10, 5x into 2x will be 10x square, and 5x plus 2x will be 7x. Okay, so x square plus here 7x we are writing as 5x plus 2x plus 10. Okay, so now from these two terms, you are taking x common, x plus 5, then plus here 2 if you take common, x plus 2 5s are 10. Now x plus 5, this x plus 5, this x plus 5, then x plus 2. So what actually is x now? X we have taken as a square minus 3a in the beginning. Okay, so that only let us substitute. X is nothing but a square minus 3a plus 5, then here in place of x again a square minus 3a plus 2. Okay, so now you can see again this is in the form of a square minus 3a plus 5. Okay, so can you again, if it is possible for you to again factorize, then you can go ahead. Okay, this is 3 minus 3a and here 5. Okay, so 5 into a square, 5a square you will get, so 5 ones are 5, so you should get minus 3 also. So it's not possible for you to factorize this one. Yes, in 5, how can you multiply 5 ones are 5? 5 will come in 5 table only. Other than that, you'll not get. So 5 ones are 5 means here when you're subtracting or adding 5 and 1, you will not get minus 3. So let us leave this. We can't do the factorization. Now here a square minus 3a plus 2. Okay, this is a square into 2 will be 2a square. Okay, now this 2a square, 2 ones are will be 2. Okay, 2 also will not come in any other table than 2. So 2 ones are 2. But 2 and 1, when you solve, when you add or subtract, you will definitely get minus 3. Minus 2, minus 1, if you do, you will get minus 3. So let us just factorize this one. A square minus 3a. Minus 3a, when we are splitting, we are getting minus 2a minus a. Minus 2a minus a will give you minus 3a. Then plus 2 as it is. Okay. So here, from here, let us take common. So a, then a minus 2, then minus, here nothing you can take. So a, again minus, it will become plus, will become minus. We are writing under the brackets. Then 2. So a minus 2, this part, and a minus 1. Okay, so this part we have again factorized and you got a minus 2 and a minus 1. But this part, let us just keep as it is. A square minus 3a plus 5. A square minus 3a plus 5. And here you can put the brackets like this. Then a square minus 3a plus 5. So this is how you have to do this problem. Okay, after taking out the factors also, when you're getting in this way, if again it is possible for you to factorize, then you have to go ahead. Okay, here you can't do, so you're just keeping it like that. But here you can do further. Now the next problem you have is a power 4 minus 11a square plus 10. Okay, here power 4 you are having. So let us just proceed as how it is. Now first term with the last term. Okay, so what you will get? 10a power 4. A power 4 into 10 will be 10a power 4. Okay, so now this 10, how can you write? Obviously 10 ones are 10, 5 twos are 10, you can't do. 5 twos are means here minus 11, it is not possible. So 10 ones are 10 only, but minus 11 is here. So minus 10 minus 1. Okay, so here a square, 10a square, 1a square, like that. So a power 4 minus 10a square minus a square plus 10 as it is. Okay, now here and here, two terms you have to take. And something you have to take common. A power 4 is here, a square is there. So a square you can take common. Then a square you will get, a square into a square will be a power 4 minus, here 10 is there, as it is 10, a square already taken outside. Then minus, here a square, here 10, nothing is common. Let us just take 1 and a square. This plus will become minus under the brackets. Already minus outside we are taking. If you open the bracket, minus into minus will give you plus. Okay, so for that you have to take a square minus 10. So a square minus 10, a square minus 10. So this is a square minus 10 and a square minus 1. So now what can you do further? Is there any way to do further, to go further? A square minus 10 is there. Okay, now a square minus 1. So 1 is nothing but 1 square. It is in the form of a square minus b square. So a plus b into a minus b. So that is nothing but a plus 1 into a minus 1. So any identities, by using any identities, if it is possible for you to express that expressions, then you have to go like that. So that's it. We have done almost all the problems of this exercise. Now some are remaining which are just similar to the problems which already I showed you here. Okay.